Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest for personal branding. To effectively use Pinterest for personal branding, follow these steps, optimize your profile and use a professional photo logo as your profile picture. Right of this, and you will just write a compelling bio with relevant keywords. So if I just tab on it, like I will just put them bio with my about my branding niche. So if I just scroll down, so right over here you will just put a link of your website of your clothing brand. So I will just simply copy it the URL of my website, and I will just tab on and paste it here simply. And in this way you can just optimize your profile to grow your personal branding. And you will just create a niche specific board, focus on topics that align with your personal brand name, boards with keyboards, and your audience might search for organize a regular update from it. So you will just also pin high quality branded content design using tools like Canva. Add your logo or website link to images, and you will use keywords and hashtags. Optimize pin descriptions with relevant keywords like of your brand. So you will just have to save it and got it. So in this way you can just engage consistently, pin regularly to stay visible, repin relevant content from other your in your niche. So you will just track your pin performance to see what resonates, adjust your strategy based on data. So in this way you can just use Pinterest for personal branding. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.